Understanding rehash in English. Hey there, welcome to another interesting video on English language learning. Today, we are diving into the term rehash. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Rehash is a verb, and it essentially means to discuss or present something again, but without significant changes or improvements. Think of it as reheating a meal from yesterday. You're using the same ingredients, just warming them up. Now that we know the definition, let's see how to use rehash in a sentence. 1. She just rehashed her old arguments during the meeting. 2. Why are you rehashing that topic? We've already discussed it. From these examples, you can see that rehash is often used in contexts where something is repeated without much innovation or fresh input. It's always good to know alternative words or synonyms. Some synonyms for rehash are reiterate, repeat, recap, go over again. However, always ensure that the context is right when using synonyms. Many people think rehash always has a negative connotation, implying that repeating something is bad. While it often is used in contexts where repetition is seen as unproductive, the term itself is neutral. It's the context that provides the positive or negative tone. For instance, negative, he just rehashed his old essay for the new assignment. Neutral, can you rehash the main points of the meeting for those who were absent? And there we have it. Rehash is all about presenting or discussing something again, often without significant change. Remember, language is all about context, so always pay attention to how and where you use your words. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious and keep learning.